So you do get all of that, girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. What did I just watch that said that? I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth. Hey Labos, it's your girl DizastrousBeauty coming back with a voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by Ywigs. Shout out to you, Ywigs, for sending me this unit. And yes, y'all, this is another headband wig. This unit is in Kinky straight, and I do have it in 20 inches. Right here, I'm just showing you guys like the headbands that came with it. And I'm just gonna basically style it for you on camera. Now this particular wig does come with a total of 4 combs. It has 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps, as well as the little velcro that comes with all of these, that you know, to tie your wig basically. So if you are interested in more details and specs about this unit, then please continue to watch, and I will see you love bugs in the outro. Bye. Down inside your heart. Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna keep it a whole book with you. Like, this is the best I have felt in a couple of days. Granted, I am still a little short of breath, but I am feeling way better than I was. So it may actually be me in the voiceover, okay? So shout out to that. Shout out to God, honey. Big shouts out to God for making me feel better. Like, yes, Lord. Won't he do it, girl? Won't he do it? So, okay, now we can get into who sent me this wig and all that good stuff. I'm so sorry if it looks a little dark, y'all. It may look a little darker than normal because I do rely mostly on natural light, and right now Mother Nature is not having it, girl. She's not having it. She wants to rain. So I don't have the natural light that I normally have, but whatever, honey, God is good all the time. So anyways, the unit that I am rocking is the Gigi Kinky Straight Headband Wig. It's Brazilian human hair. Honestly, y'all, the length of this wig is, hold on, I may know. I was finna say I don't know, but I do know. Okay, so what I have on here is, it says, average size headband wig, 20-inch natural color kinky straight. Okay, so it's 20 inches long that I am wearing. The density, child, it looks like, yeah. Okay, so it only comes in 150% density. So I do have 150% density, and I do have 20 inches long. Okay, so I do have 150% density, and this unit is 20 inches long that I am rocking. It says each wig comes with 2 different color headbands. So you do get 2 headbands with this particular wig. The hair color, it only comes in a natural color. The cap construction, it only comes as a headband wig. And the cap size is average. So it only comes in 1 cap size. Now, I do want to say that I feel like even though it's an average cap size, because of the way you can do the elastic band, I feel like you can make it work either way. Like if your head is bigger, word. If your head is smaller, a word. And obviously if your head is average, child. If your head is average, you can make anything work. I do feel like nowadays my head does lean more towards the smaller side. And I do feel like I was still able to make it work. Now, granted, that Velcro, honey, is all the way over here. But I made it work. So that lets you know that you can make it work if your head is more of an average cap size. So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, that's pretty much as far as the cap construction. Now, this unit does come with 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. So that is a total of 4 combs. It does have adjustable straps along with the Velcro. So you do get all of that, girl. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. What did I just watch that said that? Norbit. It was Norbit, y'all. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, ooh. Anyways, y'all, I was putting Juicy up on game on probably something that he had no business watching. But anyways, I digress. So yeah, you do get all of those combs, and yeah, I am rocking Kinky straight. I'm gonna give you guys a little story about that. Child. Anyways, y'all, I'm gonna give you guys a little story about it being Kinky straight, and I'm gonna tell you guys what I was expecting versus what I got. Okay, but yeah, that's basically it as far as the cap construction. Now, as far as shedding and tangling, child, there is no shedding, there's no tangling. Look at that, girl. Like, ooh, look at that. So yeah, y'all, I'm just so happy I feel better. I'm so happy I feel better. I'm still having periods of shortness of breath, but I just feel so much better. Even though I have a cough, all of that, I feel so much better. So that's another ooh, ooh. But anyways, y'all, so yeah, that's pretty much it as far as the cap construction and all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a quick lint check, and then we can get into how I feel about this unit. Okay, so this is all of the hair brought to the front on me. Keep in mind, I am 5'4". And this is where the hair comes to me in the back. So keep in mind, I am 5'4", so I'm not the tallest person in the whole wide world, okay? So keep that in mind. And now we can get into how I feel about this unit and all that good stuff. Okay, so let me tell you how your girl feel about this unit. I honestly love the unit. And I think Kristen, was it Kristen? I think it was Kristen, manifested this unit to me because, honey, this is not the unit that was supposed to be sent to your girl, okay? It is not the unit that was supposed to be sent to me. I was supposed to get the Kinky Curly unit, and that was what I was expecting. That was the unit that I had basically commented about in the comments. So, yeah, I just assumed that's what I was going to be getting. And, girl, I hadn't even opened the package. And I just knew it was in there. You know how you just know you're getting something and then you don't get it and you're like, girl, what's good? Oh, what's good? Yeah, that's how I felt. So I ended up getting this unit, even though it's not what I was expecting whatsoever, but child, whatever. It is what it is. It was still kinky. And you know your girl loves a little kinky, okay? So yeah, I was feeling it anyway. I love kinky units. They come off way more natural. I think with me wearing this unit, it looks so much more natural on me. Like, I think people would honestly think that this was my hair. It looks so natural. It's so full. It's 150% disty, but I think just because it's kinky, you guys know how kinky hair looks. Like, it automatically gives you guys that full look. Like, what am I giving? What am I giving? Like, I just feel like kinky hair just automatically looks full. So, yeah, I wasn't even mad. I couldn't even be mad. I wanted to be mad, like, because it's just in my nature to be mad when I don't get what I think I'm going to get. Like, it's just in my nature. But because it was just still a kinky straight unit, I couldn't even be mad. I couldn't even go off. I couldn't even snap, girl. So, yeah, I am feeling it. I think it is an entire look. I was FaceTiming one of my cousins. And she was like, "Ooh, girl, I love that." And I was saying that teachers were saying that this type of wig is like teacher hair. This is great for teachers. She's a teacher. And she was like, "Yes, girl." She's also, she's locking her hair. What are they called? Sister locks? I think she got sister locks. I don't know, child. But yeah, she was like, "Ooh, girl, I like that. I can throw that on and go." Like, so yeah, I am definitely feeling it. I love the look of it. I think it looks really, really good. It looks really natural. I'm feeling it. It's a look. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So let me know what you guys think down below. Are you feeling the kinky straight? I didn't have to do anything to this wig. Like I was gonna. I actually had my flat irons plugged up, my baby flat irons, because another one of my cousins got my other flat irons. Nisha, good. I thought my flat irons was here. I forgot you had them. But anyways, another one of my cousins has my other flat irons. So I had these little bitty flat irons I was gonna use, and I don't really want them at the house right now, so I couldn't tell her, girl, bring my flat irons. So I was just gonna use those. It's no big deal. And I do have my hot comb plucked up, and then when I put it on, I was like, honey, I want big hair, don't curl, okay? I want it to look as natural as possible, and it does. I feel like it looks super good like this, so I'm feeling it. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is what the unit looks like in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Honey, if you're judging my edges, judge your own edges, girl. Judge your own edges. Anyways, y'all, that is pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. If you're feeling it, like if this is your favorite texture, do you have one of these headband wigs or not, girl? Let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click the subscribe button. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Healthy Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.